What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have the Spektrum Smart Powerstage Bundle 6S. Okay, let's check it out. Let's open this box. It says Smart Technology Powerstage Battery and Charger Bundle Smart Powerstage 6S. It comes with 2 batteries, 50C LiPo batteries. We have the Spektrum Smart S2100 AC charger and the 2 adapters, so you guys can see. Let's check on the side. Okay, let's check in the back. We have some age recommendations, some warnings. 6S. Okay, let's open this box. Let's see what's inside. Nice, check that out. It comes with the instructions. S2100 dual port AC smart charger, so you guys can see. Check that out. Very nice. We have the 5000 milliamps 50C3S 11.1 volts. Some LiPo batteries, the smart ones. Check that out. Very nice. Nice. We have some more instructions inside, so you guys can see. We have the other battery here. Very nice. Check that out. Smart batteries. 50C. And we have the actual charger. Very nice. Okay, let's open this bag so you guys can take a look. Check that out. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. Spektrum S2100 smart charger. Let's take a close up here. The second with the first one, the second one, channel 1, channel 2, USB 5 volts, 2 amps. See on the side, got some USB on the side. See on the bottom. Very nice. We're gonna try this in a little bit. Let's put this on the side. Let's see if there's something else. Yeah, we have the cable right here, the power, and we have the 2 adapters, so you guys can see. Check that out. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna try this. And the 2 batteries. Check that out. Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's plug it in. So you guys can see, fans, it just started running. Check that out. Very nice. Nice display. First one, second one. You can see, you can scroll. We have the battery type, cell voltage, cell count, current, start. You can go back. Very easy to use. So you guys can see, start, charge, discharge, storage, We have the battery type. It tells you if it's LiPo and other ones. Nice. We have the cell voltage. You guys can see. We have the cell count. We have the current. And then start and back. Very nice. Okay, let's see. Let's test it. Okay guys, we're gonna start charging the batteries. First of all, we're gonna need the adapter. As you guys can see, we're gonna connect it to the battery. Just like this. Right now the display is so clear, black and white. As soon as I insert the battery into the charger, it's going to turn orange, letting me know that it's going to start charging. It recognizes the battery. It's a smart battery, LiPo 3S, 11.6 volts. I'm going to select 1 because it's on channel 1. Then hit in the middle, start charging, perform task without balancer. No, it's recommended to balance your batteries with the other cable from the battery. Okay, we're gonna do that. We're gonna insert it in the first row. Hit no. Start charging. There you go. That's the first one. Let's do the second one. Same thing. Let's use the adapter, connect it to the charger. It recognizes the battery. Select number 2. Hit in the middle. Start charging. Perform task without balancer. No. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect it. As you guys can see, first row is connected. Hit no, start charging, boom. Now we have both of the batteries charging. There you have it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to know more about the settings, you can read the manual. Right now the fan is on, meaning that this charging is taking a lot of power. And as soon as the battery is all the way charged, it's going to start beeping. When the charger is done charging the batteries, you're going to remove first the small cables, then the big cables, so you don't get an error on the charger. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you, when the screen turns green, that means that the batteries are balanced, and when it turns blue, the batteries are fully charged and it's gonna start beeping.